Hello. Greetings for the day. Welcome to the channel, guys. I'm Vinay Bajaj, your mathematics educator, and in today's video, we are going to do the analysis of your CBSE Class 10 Mathematics Sample Paper Standard Wala, and we'll be getting you this particular video in two parts. So, pura paper we'll not be able to finish it in one part. So we'll be doing it in two parts. Part 1 is today, and the part 2 will be streamed on 1st of October. Okay, so hi and hello to each and everyone. I want everyone to quickly settle down, and then we are good to go with the paper. And this will be a very good opportunity to all the ones, those who haven't solved it. And I hope the audio, video, and the screen is very clearly visible to you all. Hello OP people in the chats, welcome to the session. And guys, I am Vinay Bajaj, your mathematics educator at Unacademy, and on this channel as well, having an experience of 8+ years, nurtured over 40,000 plus students on Unacademy. Also, I've been awarded with a Clever Invention Award at Unacademy Educator Awards. Thank you so much for all the views and all the watch minutes that you have contributed, and to all the trust that you have developed for learning with me on Unacademy. And this is how my profile looks on Unacademy. There is a link in the description of my profile. You can definitely follow me, because we have a special class on trigonometry today. That will be a free class after we end this particular live stream. So I will also see you there as well. Chalo. So everyone ready to crack it? Everyone ready to crack it? I'm there with you all in the live chats, and we'll be rapidly doing the analysis of this particular sample paper. Chalo. Alright, we have the very first question, guys, on your screens, and I'm pretty sure that if you are watching on very good pixels, or if you're watching on full screen, mobile pe ho to please full screen kar lena. In fact, if you are there on laptop or any other tablet as well, please make sure you use a full screen. Okay, chalo, let us begin. Let A and B two positive numbers such that A is p raised to the power 3 q raised to the power 4 and B is p raised to the power 2 q raised to the power 3, where P and Q are prime numbers. If HCF of A and B is p raised to the power m, so guys, the HCF of A and B is p raised to the power m q raised to the power n, and LCM of A and B is p raised to the power r q raised to the power s. What you have to do here is simply first find out the HCF. So HCF के लिए what is the basic thumb rule here? Simple, the lowest power. So in A, p cube is there, in B, p square is there, so this will be p square, and in Q it is raised to the power 4 in A and cube in B, so we will take q cube. So we'll get the values of m as 2 and n as 3. Similarly, we will also be doing what, guys? Similarly, here we'll be doing the LCM. LCM में क्या होता है? I want everyone to write it in the chat section. LCM में you have to take the highest power. ठीक है? So in A the highest power is there for P, and in Q the highest power is again there for Q only in A. So we will get the values of R as 3 and S as 4. Now they've asked you to find out the value, so we can easily do that. Value of m plus n, r plus s, just substitute. So 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 4. So ultimately you will get 5 multiplied by 7, which is 35. So your correct answer is option C. Your correct answer is option C. Is that the clear to each, the ones? Why it isn't going live? Yeah, now it is live. Okay, people, the first one is done. We move on to the next one. Now they have mentioned that let P be the prime number, the quadratic equation, let P be the prime number, the quadratic equation having its roots as factors of P is. So I want you all to start quickly. Let P be a prime number, the quadratic equation having its roots as factors of P is. So guys, what you have to do here is just substitute the value, right? Just substitute the value. So which value will you substitute? The value of P. If you write P in place of X, will you get the answer? Yes. So by looking at option B, okay, you have x square minus p plus 1 into x plus p is equal to 0. Just substitute here and check what are you getting. Plus p is equal to 0. So you will have p square minus p plus p is equal to 0. So you will have 0 is equal to 0. That means the correct answer is option B. Very clear for 1 mark. We move on to the question number 3 on your screens now. A very simple question for all the lovely learners out here. If alpha and beta are the zeros of f of x is given to you here, that is px square minus 2x plus 3p. So also the condition they have given us is alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta. That means the sum of the zeros is equal to the product of the zeros. And now you just have to find the value of A, which will be P, B which will be minus 2, C that will be 3. After finding out the values, alpha plus beta is equal to minus B by A, so minus 2 by P, so you will get here 2 by P. Value of alpha beta will be C by A, so you will get 3 by P. And now people, 2 by P is equal to 3 by P. So what will be your answer here? Will you get your answer here? Will you end up getting your answer here? Will you end up getting your answer here? No. Why? Because many learners will miss on to this कि यहाँ पे 3p है. So we will have to write here 3p. So the value will come only as 3. So we will have to erase this and write only 3. So we will get therefore the value of p as 2 divided by 3. So the correct answer is option B. So the mistake which was there on the screen, couple of learners end up doing that. I don't want you all to do it. Okay? So please make sure that you don't do that. Alright. Chalo. Alright. The next question on your screens now. Question number 4. Come on, quickly in the chats. Inconsistent means which type of lines on the graph? Inconsistent means which type of lines on the graph? 3x plus y is equal to 1. 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1. So a1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 2k minus 1, b1 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to k minus 1, c1 is equal to minus 1, c2 will be equal to minus 2k plus 1. Parallel, absolutely correct. So now when they have mentioned here inconsistent people, that means it will be parallel. So parallel ke liye we have a1 upon a2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but is not equal to C1 upon C2. So can we substitute here the values? Of course, yes. We will have 3 upon 2k minus 1, 1 upon k minus 1. So you will have 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. Solving this part here. So you will end up getting your answers easily as k is equal to 2. As k is equal to 2. So I hope everyone is getting the value as 2. Option D is absolutely correct. Done with the fourth one. We move on to the next one on your screens. If the vertices of a parallelogram PQRS are taken in order. Okay. Ignore the drawing part, people. I don't have the scale here. So P is suppose 3, 4. Q is minus 2, 3. R is minus 3, minus 2. And S is we don't know what. What are the properties of a parallelogram? Can I say that PQ will be equal to RS, or can I say that PS will be equal to QR? The opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. So when you apply the distance formula, people, okay, when you apply the distance formula, you end up getting your answers. Now come on, quickly in the chat section, mention the answers and we move forward. Mention the answers for the fifth one and move forward. Come on, people, quickly. So guys, you have to just use your distance formula. Sort it out quickly. Okay, PQ is equal to RS and PS is equal to QR. You have to find X, Y. Anyone in the chats? Anyone in the chats? You can also do this, people, if you want to. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Yes, please quickly solve. It's a 1 mark question. You have to be really very quick. Chalo, okay, so now you just keep on solving. The correct answer will be option C, that is 2, minus 1. Okay, just keep on solving it, you will get your answers. What you have to do is just use distance formula here. Now it can be for anything, PQ is equal to RS, or it can be PS is equal to QR as well. We move on to the next one. Here we go. Now you have the triangle, people. triangle ABC is similar. They have given us that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and they have also given me that AM and PN are altitudes. They are the altitudes of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively. Also, they have mentioned AB square upon PQ square is equal to 4 upon 9. Now they are asking us AM upon PN, that is the altitude ka ratio, will be what? The altitude ka ratio will be what? It's just a 30-second question. Absolutely correct. The the ratio will be 2:3. It will be 2:3. Okay. There is a very simple question. It's already there in your NCRT. It's there in your RD Sharma as well. And chalo, we move forward to the question number 7 on your screens. This question in yesterday's video, agar aapne nahi dekha ho, we uploaded a video yesterday. We went live and did trigonometry questions for you all, and we ended up solving all the trigonometry related questions from your math sample paper. So the correct answer here, when you solve, okay, you will get here the answer as tan 30 for this particular question, which is there on your screens. Option B will be the correct answer. For the solution, you can refer to the video Trigonometry Made Simple on this particular channel. Okay, chalo. Question number 8. Again, this question we ended up solving. What did we do here? Very easily we ended up solving it. Like, again, for this particular question, you can refer to that particular video, and we end up getting the answer here as again option B, that is 2. So to the ones who are joining in now, hi and hello to each and everyone. Quickly settle down. The answer will be 2 here. For the solutions, you can refer to Trigonometry Made Simple wala video on this particular channel, which we streamed yesterday. The next question we have here is again from triangles. Guys, question number 2 from triangles, okay? So, ye actually 9th hai, but second question in the first 20 questions from triangles, okay? In the given figure, DE is parallel to BC. AE is equal to A units. So, AE की value आपके पास है. You have the value of AE as A. EC's value is B units. DE's value is X units. And BC's value is Y units. So, what will we do here now? What are we going to do here? A upon B, okay. What else? What else? Yes. But what else? A upon B के अलावा what we'll get here? Correct by basic proportionality theorem. Please tell me which is the correct option and how in the chats. I don't want the theorem, guys. I want the solution. Which of the following is true, they are asking. Out of the 4 options A, B, C, D, which of the option is true? A upon A plus B, very good. So can I write it as AE upon AC, which is nothing but A upon A plus B? And can I write DE upon BC will be equal to x upon y. So can I say that x upon y is equal to a upon a plus b? So can I write x is equal to ay upon a plus b? The correct answer is option C. Bas, that's it. You end up finishing this particular question. Okay? Chalo. Alright, the next one on your screens. People, they have given you ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, let us quickly draw a trapezium. So, A, just ignore the drawing. Alright, so suppose A, B, C, D is a trapezium, and okay, AD and they are parallel sides. Extremely sorry. So we will name it as A, B, C and D. Now AD is given to us as 4 centimeters. If the diagonals AC and BD intersect at point O such that, what else is given to you? They have given you that AO upon OC is equal to DO upon OB is equal to 1 by 2. What is the value of BC? What is the value of BC? What is the value of BC, people? AO upon OC. So this upon this is equal to this upon this, and it is 1 by 2. So BC will be equal to what? In the chats, OP, people, come on, go ahead. You have to find BC. Anyone out here? AD is parallel, ji haan, AD is parallel to BC, it's given to you in the question. Just if you refer to the full screen, you will easily get it. AD is parallel to BC, correct, that's already mentioned. AD is 4 centimeter, that is mentioned. Diagonals AC and BD intersect at O such that AO upon OC and OD upon OB ka ratio will be 1 by 2. Construction, okay, either here or you can do it here, whichever place you want to do it. Just solve it after doing construction, and your correct answer will be option C as 8 centimeters. Okay, so just apply basic proportionality theorem by using what are the given details. Solve for BC, you will end up getting the answers for BC as 8 centimeters. The next question on your screens, this is from areas related to circles, people. If two tangents inclined at an angle of 60 degree are drawn to a circle of radius 3 centimeters, then the length of each tangent is equal to what? If two tangents are inclined, so suppose guys, this is the circle. Oops. This is the tangents. Inclined at an angle of 60 degree to a circle of radius. So radius is 3 and 3. Then length of each tangent is equal to what? So what is the construction here that you have to do? This is 60 degree. ये आपका 90 डिग्री है, ये आपका 90 डिग्री है. Can you join this? Can we join this? This is 3, this is 3. Okay, suppose this is point A, this is A, this is B, this is P. Alright people. Now, now. Guys, trigonometry is to be used here. This will become 30 degrees. Angle APO is equal to 30 degrees. Yes or no? Guys, we have to find the length of each tangent. Why will you join AB? आपको length of each tangent निकालनी है. APO will be 30 degrees. Angle BPO will be 30 degrees. If you use tan 30 degrees in the triangle APO, in triangle PAO, so when you use tan 30 degrees, you will get OA upon AP. So tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 is equal to 3 upon AP. So AP will be equal to 3 root 3. That's it. You use trigonometry, you end up getting your answer. Khatam ho gaya. Guys, 1 mark question, you don't have to spend time on them. You literally don't have to spend so much time thinking on them. 3 root 3 is absolutely the correct answer for the length of the tangent. Okay. Chalo. We move on to the question number 12. The area of a circle that can be inscribed in a square. So guys, what are they trying to tell you here is, suppose this is your square. The area of the circle that can be inscribed in a square. Just ignore the drawing. This is the circle which is inscribed. This is the circle which is inscribed. Now, you have to find the area of the circle only. Matlab, this will end up being the diameter. So what is the radius of the circle? The radius of the circle will be 3 centimeter. And then you can easily find out the area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Pi ko pi rehne do, and you have 3 ka square, which gives you 9 pi centimeter square. Done. And you can move on to the next question. Alright, question number 13 for you all people on your screens. The sum of the length, breadth and height of the cuboid is. So the length, the breadth plus the height is equal to 6 root 3 centimeters. Okay. The length of its diagonal, the length of its diagonal is 2 root 3 centimeters. Now guys, can you tell me what is the formula for the length of the diagonal? What is the formula for length of the diagonal? What is the formula for the length of the diagonal? Anyone? Okay. L square plus B square plus H square is equal to 2 root 3. Yes, the peoples. So we'll get L square plus B square plus H square is equal to 2 root 3 के बदले can I write 12 here? Can I write 12 here? I don't think so. Come on, quickly tell me what will come on the right hand side. 2 root 3 the whole square. And now can I write L square plus B square plus H square is equal to 4 multiplied by 3, which is nothing but 12 units. Now what will be done? What will be done? L square plus B square plus H square is equal to 12. What can be done here? Step marking, of course, yes, we'll have to focus on that. But what will be done here, you'll have to tell me. A square plus B square plus C square की identity and what that identity is. And what that identity is. What will be done next? Go ahead, I'm there with you all in the live chat, people. Solve quickly. Just a second, guys. Yes, are you guys able to hear me and see me? Was there any disturbance? Was there any disturbance? Correct. This is the identity. Use and quickly tell me the answer then. Quickly tell me the answer then. You've got the identity. Quickly tell me the answer then. Come on guys, go ahead with the solution. It's a 1 mark question. You should not take so much time. Are you guys done with the answer? Oh, why did YouTube go off on my phone? I'm not able to see the live chat. 96. Correct. 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 So, the answer to this question will be 96 centimeter square. Use the identity. Okay? Chalo. Next question on your screens, question number 14. So, now what will you do here, people? यहाँ पे क्या ही करोगे? If the difference of mode and median of a data is 24, okay, then the difference of median and mean will be what? What is the formula? What is the formula which we use? Something like this. What is that? Everyone in the chats. Quickly, people, everyone in the chats. What's the formula here? Mode is equal to 3 median. Absolutely correct. Minus twice of mean. So what will you get here? But guys, you already have something in the question, right? What is that something? Mode minus median is equal to 24. Mode minus median is equal to 24. So क्या कर सकते हैं अब यहाँ पे? What is the simplest thing that you can do here? The simplest thing, it's just a 1 mark question, guys. You should not spend more than like 2 minutes. Come on, OP people. Mode is equal to 24 plus median. Okay. Then कितना सिंपल है यार दोस्तों. Come on. 24 plus median is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So you will get minus 2 median here is equal to minus 24 minus 2 mean here. So now 2 median here and you will get your 24 plus 2 mean here. You have to find the difference of median and the mean. So minus 2 mean is equal to 24. Take the 2 common. So you will get median minus mean is equal to 12. So the correct answer is option B. Next question on your screens. Quickly do this one. The distance is given to you as 11 kilometers. The radius is given to you as 0.25 meters. So now what will you end up getting here? A rolling distance of 11 kilometers. A similar question, we did it in our yesterday's special class, which we did on Unacademy areas related to circles. So I want each and everyone to give the correct answer. Number of revolutions we have to find out. So number of revolutions will be equal to the distance upon the circumference Absolutely correct, Vishal. You will do it like this. The distance is 11,000 meters divided by the circumference will be 22 upon 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 25 upon 100. Am I correct? 11,000 into 100 into 7 the whole divided by 22 into 2 into 25. So when you solve this, 11,000 into 100 into 7, you end up getting what? 7,000. So is that very clear to everyone? We move on to the question number 16. We move on to the question number 16. Chalo, alright. Sir, echo ho raha hai. You need to check your internet connections then. I guess the audio is very clear. 16. Chalo, alright. Yeah, it is pretty clear. I just checked it on my phone where I'm seeing the chats. Quickly just prepare the CF column. So we will have 10, we'll have 25, we'll have 37, we'll have 57 and we'll have 66. 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 12, 37, 37 plus 20, 57, 57 plus 9 is 66. Okay, 29 plus 12 is 31, 31 plus 15 is 46, 46 plus 10 is... हैं? क्या हमारा frequency और CF अलग आ रहा है? Is it coming different? 10 plus 15 is 25, then 37, then 57, then 66. No, it's absolutely correct. There I had mentioned 31, but it should have been 41. Just a way to check your correct answers. Now, 66 is an odd number or an even number? Median is equal to 66 divided by 2. So 33rd term. Now 33rd term, that means the lower limit of median will be 10 and the lower limit of mode will be 15. So the correct answer is 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. Whichever option is correct, you will select. So the correct option is B. So the correct option is B. Chalo. So we move on to question number 17 now. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. What is the probability that 6 will come up at least once? पहले तो आपने पूरी sample space लिखनी है. You have to write the whole sample space, and then what you have to do here is you will have 1,6. You will have 6,1. You will have 2,6. You will have 6,2. You will have 3,6, 6,3, 4,6, 6,4, 5,6, 6,5, 6,6. At least once they are mentioned. So how many possible outcomes are there? How many possible outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the correct answer is 11 divided by 36. That is the total number of outcomes. So the correct answer is C. Next वाले पे चलते हैं. सर आज पूरा पेपर डिस्कस हो जाएगा? जी नहीं, you have joined in I guess late at the start only. I mentioned we'll be having the paper divided in two parts, one today, one on 1st October. So today till the place where we are able to do the questions, we will be doing it, and the remaining will continue in the next one. Now we have the next one. This we already discussed in the previous video on this channel. So we'll just quickly jump on to the next one. The correct answer to this particular question will be A 1 by 3, which we did yesterday only. Okay. So please make sure that you watch the video for all trigonometry questions of the sample paper. Okay. The next one. Now, if the product of two numbers, they have mentioned guys that the product of two numbers is 5780, HCF is 17 and LCM is 340. So what we will do here to check this? Simple. 5780 is the product. It should be equal to the product of the HCM and LCM. So just multiply this. So you will get 17 zeros are 0, 17 fours are 68, 6 carry over. So 5780 alright. That means guys, the assertion is absolutely true. Assertion true hai. That means D option will not be possible, and HCF is always a factor of LCM. So the correct answer here is both are true. This is also true, but it's not the correct explanation. So the answer is option B. That the assertion and reason both are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. The next one on your screens. If the coordinates of the midpoints of the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are D 3, 5, E minus 3, minus 3 respectively, then BC is equal to 2 units. Then BC is equal to, sorry, I mentioned 2 units, it's 20 units. The line joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. So guys, the reason is absolutely true. Okay, reason true है, ये तो हमें पता है that the line joining the midpoints of the two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and equal to half of it. We know that. Okay, we know that very clearly, in fact. Alright, so now what we have to do here is this option though is gone. Can I say guys, it is absolutely the correct thing, because if you find out DE ka distance will be minus 3 the whole square plus it will be minus 3 plus 5 the whole square. So you will end up getting minus 6 का square plus 2 का square. So you will end up getting 36 plus 4. Am I correct? Assertion भी true है, correct? Am I correct? Your answer is absolutely correct. But what is written on the screen, is that correct? It is not correct. So, what you will have to do here, people? That is not correct. Majority students might make a mistake here. अब क्या करोगे? -3 -5 होगा. Can you tell me the reason why? Because the sign is negative inside the bracket. Do not end up making a mistake here. So it will be -6 plus -8 the whole square. So you get 36 plus 64 the whole under root, which is 100 under root, which is 10 units. And according to the midpoint theorem, DE will be equal to half of BC. So the A is also true and both are correct. So option A is the correct answer. So guys, you successfully finished your first 20 questions of your paper. We move on to the 21st. अब आपका जो है, now your section is changed, so now you will have 2 mark questions. Okay, chalo. So very simple. Whenever you see that the coefficient of the first 2 variables in the first equation are exactly the opposite in the next equation, what is the simple step that you will do? The simple step that you will do here is first add both the equations. So plus 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 the whole divided by, you will get your 500 plus 400 is 900. So you will get your 1000. Here you will get 100y and here you will get 100x. So you will get x plus y is equal to 10 as your equation number 1. The second step that you have to do here is subtract both the equations. So 49x plus 51y is equal to 499. 51x plus 49y is equal to 501. Now you have to subtract. So minus minus minus. What will you end up getting here? You will get minus 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 2. So you will get minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. So you will get x minus y is equal to 1, and then solve them simultaneously. So x plus y will be equal to 10 and x minus y will be equal to 1. Is that so? X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. No. Minus plus minus. So you will get 2y is equal to, Gaya Vishal 2 mark, lost 2 marks here. So we don't have to hurry. Y is equal to 9 by 2. If y is equal to 9 by 2, then x will be equal to 11 by 2. I hope everyone is very clear. We move on to the next question on your screens. Now those who haven't liked the video yet, please make sure that you like and click on the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Okay, next question on your screens. We have in the given figure below, the given details are very clearly given to you. Of course, yes, they are given, that is why they are clear to us. AD upon AE is equal to AC is equal to AC upon BD, and they have also given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. They have also given us angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So now people, what you have to do, if angle 1 is equal to angle 2, since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, can I say that therefore AB is equal to BD? Angles opposite to sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay. Now people, this is my part 1, and it is already given to me that, okay, it is already given to me that AD upon AE is equal to AC upon AB. ये तो दिया हुआ है. BD के बदले what have I written now? If you guys can see here, BD के बदले what will I write? AC upon BD. So can I write AD upon AE is equal to AC upon AB? And what will we do after this? Now we will take the triangles BAE. No one mentioned in the chat the solution. Huh? Where are you guys in the chat? I'm not able to see your replies with the solution. No confidence with triangles. In triangle BAE and triangle CAD. Okay. This is my equation number 2. So by the equation number 2, I can copy this equation number 2 here as we have, we will have AE upon AD, the reciprocal, and AB upon AC, equation 2. That's my equation 2. That's my equation 2. SSS criteria na? Wrong. Guys, angle A is equal to angle A, the common angle. So therefore, triangle BAE is not congruent, is similar to triangle CAD by SAS similarity criteria. बहुत मेहनत लगेगी. Too much of efforts needed, Bisal. The next question on your screens. Very simple. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. Okay. Find AQB. PA and PB are the tangents. APB is 75. So guys, if this is 75 degrees, this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. So angle AOB will be 105 degrees. If this is 105 degrees, then what my answer will be? Very simple. Class 9th का degree measure theorem we'll use. We'll use class 9th का degree measure theorem. So by degree measured theorem, we will get angle AOB ka half will be equal to angle AQB. So it will be 52.5 degrees is equal to angle AQB. Please make sure that you write the steps correctly. Next question on your screens. The last one for this particular session, and then we have a special class at 3:15 today after this video. Chalo, solve this one. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 6 centimeters. That means the radius is 6 centimeters. Now, how many minutes it is traveling? how many minutes is it traveling? So minutes covered will be how much? 740 and 75. So 10 minutes and 25. So overall 35 minutes traveled. Overall 35 minutes traveled. Chalo. So now people, if it is traveling 35 minutes, the theta is 360 degrees and for minutes it is 60 minutes. Okay. So what will be for 1 minute? It will be 6 degrees. So now theta for 35 minutes will be how much? Come on, OP chats में जल्दी से लिख दो. What will be the theta for 35 minutes? It will be 210 degrees. Now you have to find the area. So formula is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So this and this goes off. Both the 6's gets cancelled. This and this goes off. 3's are. So you will get 66 centimeter square. You will get 66 centimeter square. Is it the clear to reach the every ones? So we end up solving the first 24 questions of your sample paper, which was given by CBSE for 2023 boards, standard 1. And now I will see you all in the part 2 of this video, which will be done on 1st October. Save the date. Just stay tuned and subscribe, like, share the video, click on the bell icon as well for getting the exciting content in the month of October also with our educators on the channel. Hope you will spread the news and God bless you. I hope you all enjoyed the video and stay tuned, take care, have a beautiful day. Greetings for the day. See you all in the special class which we have on Unacademy app right now, that is today. The date is 29th of September.